I'm going to show you how to calculate simple interest in business math. When money is borrowed, interest is charged for the use of that money for a certain period of time. When that money is paid back, you have to include both the principal and the interest. To calculate the simple interest, you must know the principal, that is the money that you borrowed, the interest rate charged per year, and the time in years. These are the formulas to be used, where I is the simple interest, P is the principal, R is the interest rate per year, T is the time in years, and A is the amount. Let's see this example. A student purchases a new laptop by obtaining a simple interest loan. This high-tech computer costs only $1,500, and the interest rate on the loan is just 12% per year. If the loan is to be paid back in monthly installments over 2 years, let's calculate the amount of interest paid over the 2 years and the total amount to be paid back. So in this case, let's see. P, the principal, $1,500. R is the interest rate per year, 12%. And T, the time in years, is 2. Let's use a calculator for that purpose. We have to click the button to edit the numbers.